Kia ora and welcome to your practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Catalina and I'm super excited for you to be here. Now start by getting comfortable. Lie down on your mat, your couch or sofa. Support your head, the back of your knees, covering yourself with a blanket. Making sure that you feel supported. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, there is no need for physical movement. If you feel like you need to move, take a moment to observe that need. It will probably go away. If the desire to move returns, that might be a signal that you actually do need to move. So do so with the awareness and the intention to return to stillness. In the practice, you are going to develop the feeling of relaxation, like the feeling you have just before sleep. And when relaxation becomes deep, sleep does come, but try and keep awake. The aim is to stay alert and to not fall asleep. We are now beginning the practice of Yoga Nidra. Take another moment here to get truly comfortable. Let your body settle, the muscles soften and release. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, feel the cares and worries of the week flow out of the body. Take this 2 more times, a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, feel the cares and worries drain out of your body. Feel yourself becoming heavier with each exhale as the body begins to let go. Notice your breath. Your heartbeat. Both gently supporting you without any doing on your part. You are completely supported. Invite yourself to let go and open to a state of receiving. There's nothing to do. Now take a moment to set an intention, a short phrase to represent your deep desire, your sankalpa, a heartfelt wish. Take your time to let a sentence, a word, maybe an image come to your mind. Alternatively, if nothing comes to your mind, that's absolutely fine. Simply repeat 3 times. I am taking this time to rest and rejuvenate. I am taking this time to rest and rejuvenate. The only awareness that remains is that you are practicing Yoga Nidra. Without effort, allow your awareness to move through your body as you follow the guidance of my voice. Bring your attention to the right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right chest, waist, groin, buttock, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left chest, waist, hip, groin, buttock, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, the whole nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin, jaw, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right chest, left chest, heart space, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, right groin, left groin, pelvic floor, tailbone, sacrum, right buttock, left buttock, the entire spine from the tailbone to the base of the skull, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, crown of the head. Feel the whole right arm. Feel the whole left arm. Both arms together. The whole right leg. The whole left leg. Both legs together. The entire torso. The face. The head. The whole body. Your entire body. Your entire body lying here. Invite in the sensation of heaviness. Let your entire body feel dense, grounded, as though you are sinking into the earth. The ground beneath you becomes soft and supportive as you release more and more weight into it. There's nothing to hold up. Gravity does all the work now. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. And now shift into the sensation of lightness. The body feels almost weightless, like mist rising in the morning air. You may sense yourself gently floating above the ground. There's a softness to the edges. Light, spacious, expansive. You are free without effort, suspended in ease. With the next breath out, bring back the sensation of heaviness. And with the inhale, the feeling of lightness. Exhale, the body sinks into the earth. Inhale, gently floating above ground. Stay with these two sensations. Heaviness as you exhale, lightness as you inhale. Let go of these two sensations and allow a sense of coolness, a gentle, cool breeze blowing across your skin. This breeze is light and refreshing, like the air at dusk in a quiet forest. Notice how it moves over your arms, the face, the chest, the legs. Cool, calm, clear. This coolness does not disturb you. It soothes, bringing a sense of clarity and quiet. Now begin to feel a subtle warmth slowly radiating from the center of the body. This warmth spreads from the heart space to the chest, the arms and legs, and up the face. It's the warmth of comfort, of deep rest and ease, soft, nourishing, held. Let the warmth envelop you like sunshine filtering through trees. Now bring your attention to your eyebrow center. Imagine yourself walking through a forest. The leaves on the trees around you have started to turn colors. Bright yellow, red and orange, and a little bit of green all around you. Hear and feel the textures of the fallen leaves crunching underneath your bare feet. Listen to the whispers of the leaves as they move in the wind. The gentle breeze touches your skin, carrying you forward. You feel the soft, rich soil beneath your feet. Notice the roots of the trees grounding deeply into the earth, and sense your own roots holding you steady and strong. The branches above grow taller and reach outwards. Feel yourself expanding too, growing tall and spacious. You observe the trees instinctively releasing their leaves in preparation for winter. So you too begin to release burdens, attachments, aspects of yourself that no longer align with your growth. Creating the space for renewal and growth when the time is right. Trees cannot sustain their leaves through winter. We cannot carry everything indefinitely. Trust in your wisdom, in recognizing when something is no longer serving you. And allow yourself the freedom to release it. Letting go is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is an essential process for your well-being. Bring your attention back to the breath. Feel the air as it flows in and out through the nose. Notice its temperature, its texture, and where it moves within you. Take a few slightly deeper breaths now, aware of the whole body. Begin to sense into the space around you, the sounds inside the room, the feeling of your clothes, the mat beneath you, the sounds outside the room. Picture yourself lying here, completely at ease. When you're ready, begin to gently move, wiggling toes and fingers. Turning the head from side to side. And gradually letting those movements become bigger, turning into circles of wrists and ankles. And if you like, take a big stretch, reaching your arms overhead, point your toes, make yourself as long as you can. And then exhale out. Take all the time you need. There is no rush. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Take care.